In this quick tutorial, I will introduce to you the site statistics overview in the Rapyd Dashboard. The Rapyd Dashboard includes useful statistical information about your cloud hosting availability and performance. From your Rapyd Dashboard, select the site you want to manage, then navigate to Stats from the sidebar menu, or click on View Stats from the Overview page. At a glance, you can already see important details about your WordPress site, such as your planned storage, backup storage, site traffic, CPU, and RAM. By monitoring CPU and RAM usage statistics, as well as other system metrics, cloud computing administrators can identify performance issues and take appropriate measures to optimize system performance. Hovering your mouse over the graph on each metric will give you more information. Using this drop-down menu, you are able to filter these results by last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, or last 30 days. Site statistic monitoring is essential for evaluating performance, optimizing user experience, and ensuring efficient resource utilization of your WordPress site.